Myself Neeru Kumari, welcome to 11th Commerce classes of subject accountancy. It's part 3 of chapter 1, that is meaning and objective of accounting. The topic that we cover today is advantages and limitations of accounting. Let's start with the advantage of accounting. First, it is helpful for management of business in 3 ways. It is helpful in planning, it is helpful in decision making, and it is helpful in controlling. It is helpful in planning because on the basis of financial statement, management able to know whether the sale is increase or decrease, or what is the speed of increasing the cost of production. And it is helpful in taking decision related to important topic, that is fixation of the selling price and how much discount offered to the debtors. Then it is helpful in controlling related to the cost. Then second, it provides complete and systematic record because all the business transactions chronologically recorded, means date wise recorded, so it provides complete and systematic record. Third, it provides necessary information about the net profit and loss of the business. Fourth, it provides information about the financial position of the business, means how much assets and what is amount of liabilities held by the particular business. Then it enables the comparative study because every year business maintain the financial statement, and this financial statement is helpful for the comparative study. It is helpful in assessment of tax liabilities. Income tax are paid on the basis of income or the profit earned by the business. So with the help of financial statement, it is easily accessible by the business. Then 7, evidence in legal matter. When there is a dispute arise in the organization or in the business, in that case, these financial statement used as a legal proof. Then 8, it facilitate sales of business. These financial statement, on the basis of these financial statement, management decide the future sales or target the future sales of the business. 9th, it is helpful in raising loan. On the basis of financial statement report, bank provide or issue loan to the business. Then it is helpful in prevention and detection of error and fraud because all the transactions are systematically recorded, so there is less chances of error and fraud. Let's discuss with limitation of the accounting. Then first, influenced by the personal judgment. Accounting is the science as well as art. Why it is called art? Because sometimes accountant may use their personal judgment. In which case, for example, in case of valuation of stock, method related to the valuation of stock, or for making provision for bad debt, or in other case. Second, based on accounting concept and convertism. The best example of accounting concept is the historical concept. Fixed assets is always recorded in the historical on the historical cost. Then convertism. In accounting records, we always ignore future profit and include future loss. This is the convertism concept. Means we ignore future profit but include or focus future loss. Third, incomplete information. The true position of business ascertained or determined at the time of winding up. But businessmen never wait for that much time. So every year businessmen calculate their profit and loss. So in this way we can say the financial statement provides the incomplete information. Fourth, omission of qualitative information. In accounting record, qualitative aspects are always ignored. Means it may happen that business earn profit because of the efficient manager, but the efficiency of manager never show in the accounting term. Fifth, based on the historical cost. Business assets are always shown on the historical cost, means the cost at which these assets are purchased. There may be the market price of these assets greater than it or the less than it. Sixth, affected by the window dressing. Window dressing means manipulation of accounts. It may happen that businessmen may manipulate the accounting in order to impose the good image in the society. 7. Unsuitable for forecasting. Because these financial statements provide information about the past performance of business, that's why it is unsuitable for forecasting, because the business environment is dynamic in nature that keep on changing. That's all for today. Have a nice day.